Good day, learners. I'm Joseph M. Alfelor. I'm your senior high school teacher. Our subject for today is about contemporary Philippine arts from the regions, where we are going to tackle about principles of art. Here are some important reminders before we proceed with our discussion. The Republic Act 8293, Section 176, states that no copyright shall subsist in any work of the government of the Philippines. However, prior approval of the government, agency, or office wherein the work is created shall be necessary for exploitation of such work for profit. It means these learning materials are not for sale. What you what you need to know with regards to this module. This module will help the senior high school learners to be well informed about the overall structure of an art form, how an artist demonstrates his ideas and feelings on his craft. It directs the learners to know and analyze more about the different contemporary art forms based on the principles. Here are our objectives. Most essential learning competencies. Evaluate contemporary art form based on the elements and principles. At the end of the module, you should be able to 1. Discuss the contemporary arts form based on the principles of art design. Number 2. Distinguish carefully the significance of these principles of art on the created contemporary art forms from the regions. Number 3. Evaluates contemporary art form based on the elements and principles. Contemporary art, the art of today, produced in the second half of the 20th and 21st century. The art is a dynamic combination of materials, method, concept, and subjects that continue the challenging that we are already well underway in the 20th century. I would like to gauge your knowledge or view with regards to our topic of principles of art. Pretest. Choose the best answer of the following questions statement. Write your answer on the answer sheet or notebook. Number 1. What is the term used to describe the arrangement of the visual elements in the painting or artwork? A. Composition. B. Texture. C. Value. D. Balance. Let's check the result of your pretest. Here's the chart to assess your skills or knowledge about the test. This enables you to know how prepared are you to do to the task. 8 to 10, excellent. 5 to 7, very good. 4 to 3, good. 2 to 0, needs improvement. Can you still remember the previous lesson we've done? What have you learned from it? Can you share it again? Let us recall the meaning of humanities. What is humanities? That's right. This refers to the study of human experience, how people process and records their thoughts, beliefs, and longings. Moving on task number 1, the best of me. Your task is to determine the importance of the different principles of art in a particular artwork or craft. This task enables you to share your point of view of what you have learned from previous lessons and how you can apply it to your real-life situations. Explain or discuss the following questions carefully by giving your opinions or ideas regarding the subject learned. Do it in your answer sheet. 5 points each. Number 1. Do you think an artist must be extraordinary about his own artwork? Why? What's new? In this task, I would like to know if you are remember the following historical events in arts. Task number 2. Remember me. Number 1. Beginning now or in recent time. Number 2. Began in 1860 during Industrial Revolution. What is it? Let's proceed to our lesson number 1. Contemporary versus modern art. Defining now from then. The word modern is defined as of or relating to the present time, according to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, November 30, 2015. The word contemporary is defined as happening or beginning now, or in recent times. While these definitions may appear to be similar or even nearly identical terms of an art genre, they are very incongruent. These are the examples of modern art and contemporary arts. Mirror number 5, 1972, by Roy Lichtenstein. The Wood Family, 1995, by Lisa Adam. Lesson 2, Elements of Composition. Principles in Art. Now, let us find out the different elements of composition in art, also called as the principles of art design. We have to analyze these forms of art for us to know its work and how it express communicate one's own feelings or emotion. In the visual art, composition is the placement or arrangement of the visual elements such as figures, trees, and so on in artwork, as distinct from the subject or style with which it is depicted. Here are the different principles of art design: balance, elements of composition. Number 1, balance. 2, emphasis. 3, movement. Picture number 1. Patterns in the frosted glass form leading lines which help draw in the viewer's eye in this photograph of alleged in the Brooklyn Botanic Garden. Picture 2. Rule of thirds. Now, how the horizon falls close to the bottom grid line and how the dark areas are in the left third. The overexposed in the right third. What's more, here are the following tasks you will need to accomplish for better understanding of our topic. Task 3. Find me interesting. Directions. Fill completely the data retrieval chart of the items as based from the different forms of principles of art discussed, learn. Write your answer sheet or notebook. Task number 4. Let's read and analyze. After reading the text above, let us know whether you have learned from it. The different pictures of top portray some elements and principles of art. Can you cite some of what you have learned and observed? Write your answer on the table below. Task number 5. Talk and create with me. Your task is to have an interview with the old folks in your town or personalities involved in promoting culture, arts, and traditions. List down and collect some form of documents, art, craft, primary, secondary source from them, and learn techniques in creating craft. What you have learned? Take notes. Remember the following important terms and ideas from the lesson you have learned. Copy and study these concept ideas in your lecture notebooks. A. Humanities. B. Humanism. C. Contemporary arts. D. Modern art. What you can do. Task number 6. Reflect on me. As a grade 11 or 12 learner, how can you help in the following instances? Write a reflection paper on the following. Choose only one. A. Promoting the different artwork in your town or region. What's your score? Here we will know if you have learned from our discussion. Pause test. Choose the best answer of the following question statements below. Write your answer on the answer sheet notebook. Number 1. Which of the following best describe contemporary art? A. Happening or beginning now or in recent times, typically less well-defined and most commonly described as belonging to artists still living today, which incorporate new medium to match societal advancement in resources and technology. B. Began in 1860s during the period of Industrial Revolution with the advent of photography. Let's check the result. Let's find out your skill learned. Rate your score from the table and know your level of performance of the task. What's more can you do? Read and study research more about the elements of arts, subjects, and styles in art. Answer the following questions in your lecture notebook. What are the different elements of art? Define each. And here is the answer key for your pre-test, post-test, and task 1 to task 6. Here are the terms and articles linked for your guide if you would to check the sources of our discussion. Let us acknowledge the author of the module, Lourdes Aquino Dacara, a senior high school teacher 3 of Nabua National High School, Nabua, Camarines Sur. And let's recognize the development team of this module. Writer, Lourdes A. Dacara. Editors, Francis Hassel and Pedido, Raquel E. De Loberes, Rosa S. Restrado. Reviewer, Maribin D. Berha. Illustrators, Ivan Lee Leonem, Alvin G. Alejandro. Presenter, yours truly, Joseph M. Alpelor. Thank you and keep safe, learners.